Hi, I'm Janet Ferraro. Today I'm going to show you how to create this energetic drawing of this horse using charcoal on stretched canvas. I begin by creating the drawing very loosely using vine charcoal. Willow charcoal would work just as well. We want a very light charcoal, something that erases very easily, because I'm just doing gestural lines right now. I'm creating the structure and form of the horse, and I may want to erase this back, and that's why it's important to use a very soft charcoal, such as vine charcoal or willow charcoal. And because my drawing is going to be gestural with a lot of movement, I don't really worry about having fine detail at all right now. I'm just establishing the form. And you'll find when you work this way, it's really a lot of fun. It's nice to be loose and move your arm around, getting a feel for the drawing. And don't worry, later on in the drawing, we will refine the details. I am using stretched canvas as my surface, but you can do this process on any type of drawing paper that you like to use. I also really enjoy using this large vine charcoal stick. You know, the thinner ones break so easily, and this one is just so wonderful to draw with. And I will go ahead and link some of the supplies I'm using today in the description area below this video. And the blending tool I'm using right now, I believe was originally created for pan pastel, but it really works wonderfully with charcoal as well, whether it's fine charcoal, powdered charcoal, compressed charcoal, or even black pan pastel, which, by the way, is very compatible with charcoal. All of these tools work very well when you are creating your drawing, and it creates beautiful, soft passages, as you can see I'm developing here. I realize my pencil is pretty dull, so I've been using this sharpener, and I have to say I really like it. A couple of twists with the handle, and you can't believe how beautiful it sharpens the pencil. And now I'm going to establish some of the details of the horse. I love establishing the eyes because then I can actually start feeling the spirit of the horse. As you can see, I continue to establish the form, and I do make some corrections a little later on. Once I get the drawing kind of established, and I'm sure you find this too, you kind of have to take a step back and just make sure that everything is structured correctly and everything is making sense. I'm now using my kneaded rubber eraser to pull out some of the highlights and establish the proper form of the nostrils of the horse. Using powdered charcoal and a soft mop brush, I'm going to create a little bit of an atmospheric effect around the horse and start building up the layers. The powdered charcoal goes on beautifully, erases easily, and it's really a lot of fun to use. And you can see I'm really moving my arm and applying it with a very loose feel. And this really helps to the energetic nature of the finished drawing. And this is an amazing piece of soft charcoal. I just love it. And it's by the brand Neutrum. And if I can find it, I will link it below. hope you're enjoying this video. It's a little longer than most of my videos, but I really wanted to show you and share with you how I build up the details in my drawing, because I do think it really adds a lot of energy to this beautiful horse, this beautiful animal, which is such a powerful and beautiful creature. I feel so blessed that I've spent most of my life in the company of horses, and so many of us are kind of smitten with these beautiful animals. So I think there's a kind of a spiritual bond there for me, as well as just I'm always in awe of their beauty. And I really hope this drawing process that I'm demonstrating today helps you in your creation process. Loosen up. Don't be afraid to explore. Make beautiful marks on your paper, knowing that you can erase them or adjust them as the drawing develops. Take some risks and definitely have a lot of fun. I'll include a link in the description below this video on how to seal the charcoal to the canvas. Thank you so much for watching today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.